Hey guys, Destin the RV Guide here. If you're looking for a couples camper for 2024, look no further. We are in front of the 2024 Bullet 260 RBS by Keystone. It's got a lot going for it. They took that rear bath floor plan and threw it for a loop. Let's check this thing out. I'm going to have a power tongue jack, 20-pound LP tank, and then Keystone's Giggy Box right behind that for a true battery disconnect. Pass-through storage is ample, so have a good look at your aluminum framing. Nice little pegboard here so you can hang some stuff up. And of course, true slam latch doors on the coach. Huge power awning that'll span about the whole length of the thing. You're going to have outdoor speakers and a TV mounting spot for outdoor entertainment here. Now, this is an outdoor kitchen to write home about. You're going to have your Capital Grill, huge mini fridge right here, a fully plumbed sink, and a nice little bit of storage right under that huge power awning so you're not going to get wet. That's right next to our tankless hot water heater by Gerard, which is really cool. If you already have a camper and you're looking for a tankless hot water heater, this will fit right into the same hole as your current one. Back of the camper is going to give you a ladder to get up to your fully walkable roof, backup camera prep. A spare tire is standard on this one here, and we're going to have a 50 amp connection on this coach. As we walk into the camper here, this is where it really shines. They took that rear bath floor plan and just threw it for a loop. They put that kitchen on the door side here, nice entertainment center opposite your theater seating, and behind that entertainment center, they're going to give you the deepest pantry I have ever seen in a camper. Plenty of storage right in there. You flip that right around, you're going to have your control panel for your tankless hot water system. Into the bedroom, you're going to have storage right underneath the bed there. You're going to have storage right up above and two wardrobes on the side. Both sides of the bed will have 110 volt power as well as USB chargers, so you can plug your phone in at night. The living area of the coach is where it truly shines. In the slide out, you're going to have a dinette and your theater seating, which is directly across from your entertainment center. 5,000 BTU electric fireplace, and a decent amount of storage built in right around that. As we keep going, you're going to have a full-size Furrion electric fridge, 3-burner cooktop from Furrion, and then to complete the full appliance package, you'll have your range hood and microwave. Ample counter space throughout the coach with a handy-dandy flip-up countertop just to get a little bit more here. 1-bay residential sink with the residential faucet too. Underneath that, you're going to have dedicated trash can storage, which is well sought after. Good storage for your cups and bowls and pots and pans and all your other doodads that you got to bring with you. The dinette is in bed form right now with some storage underneath. The theater seating has some lovely hidey holes in it, so you'll never lose your remote. Now, the bathroom is where this camper is going to shine because it is packed with storage for her and her. Up above the commode here, you're going to have a very large area right above that outdoor kitchen. Full-size medicine cabinet, a sink countertop you can actually write home and put stuff on. The commode is a very well placed. You're not going to have any issues with your legs bumping into the shower. Decent amount of storage underneath. Of course, your Neo angle shower equipped on the coach, which is 36 by 36 with a skylight. It looks really nice out there, but trust me, it's cold and dreary up here in Conway, New Hampshire. And the wardrobe in the back here, so you have space for all of your linens. Thanks for watching along and follow for more.